Hello everyone, welcome back again to On How channel. My name is Anas, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment. If you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video, I will show you how to add the size chart on the product page on Shopify. And we will do that without using any apps or anything like that, because you having multiple apps on your Shopify store can actually affect the loading time of your store. So that's really important right now when it comes to the e-commerce in general. A slow Shopify store can affect the conversion rate for your product. No matter how good the product is, if the page is loaded really slow, the customer will leave. That's based on statistics actually. So in this video, I will show you how to add the size chart on product page on Shopify without using any apps, and we will do that by using the collapsible row. So the customer will see a row with the name for the size, and once he click on it, he will see a chart either by a picture or actually a text chart. However, I do recommend you to use the text ones instead of pictures, because the text one can actually be indexed by search engines on other platforms. But if you are using it from a picture, search engines like Google or Bing or whatever, they can't actually index the content on the pictures. However, if you are using the chart based on text, those data like the sizes and so on, they can be indexed on the Google search engine, can actually see that your product have sizes and the chart on it. In this video, I will show you how to do that by two ways. The first one was, as I said, by collapsible row, so the customer will click on it and it will see it. And the second way, by using the pop-up. And without any more talking, let's just get to it. And please, if this video helped you out, help me out pressing that like button. I would really appreciate it. It's completely free and it will make me happy for the rest of the day. So it's a win-win situation. Anyway, let's just get to it. As you can see, this is actually, by the way, my Shopify store that I do demonstration on, and just a testing store, not an actual store that I'm working on. So all the things on the Shopify store is based on tutorials. For example, this banner right here, a video banner with the text on it, as well as call to action, which is a button. And I did show you how to add this in a video without using any apps, by using your own standalone code. Because as I said, having too many apps on your Shopify store can affect the loading time, as well as the order tracking page right here and the menu and so on. All the things in here, I did them on tutorials, including actually right now the color swatches, as you can see. So this is color swatches, and if you are interested in how to add any of these, as I said, make sure to check out my channel. And without any more talking, let's just get to our tutorial, which is how to add size chart on the product page. So let's just close this. And by the way, let's just check if I have a product actually with sizes on it. Let's just access the product section. I think I have this hoodie. So this is a hoodie with sizes, as you can see. So L and M and XL and double XL. And I will use this particular example to add the size chart on it. And to do that, let's just access the online store from here. And after that, click on Themes and click on Customize. And let's just change the page to the product page, which is this one. And let's just click on Default page. And let's just change the product to the hoodie, as I said, which is the one that has sizes on it. So this is the product page that I'm going to add the sizes on it. On here it is, they already showed here. However, we want to add them, as I said, by a chart. And they do have pictures. You just notice this? There is a picture actually with the size on it. And as I said, I will show you how to do that, to add the picture and to add a chart based on text. I do recommend you to use text, as I said, and I did explain why. So the first thing we're going to do is add a collapsible row, just like this one right here. And to do that, click on Add Block right here, simply click on it, and click on Collapsible tab right here. So let's just click on it. It will add it. I think it will be at the bottom page. So this is the collapsible tab that we did add. Let's just drag it up so we can put it just below the buy button, which is where it should be, right? And here it is, as you can see. So let's just click on it and let's just change the icon to the, not the check mark, but I think there is a ruler here, will be really accurate for our case, which is the sizes. So let's just pick ruler and it should change. Here it is. So let's just name it actually the sizes without chart, just sizes, and then just click on save. Right now we have the size collapsible tab. However, it's empty. We need to add the chart to it. And let's just do that. Let's just access Shopify dashboard. And I'm going to keep this open. And let's just click on online store from here and pages. And let's just click on add page, a new one. And let's just name it sizing chart. Let's just name it like this, and in here we're going to add the chart to it. And then just click on insert table button right here, and then just click on insert table and click on it again, and let's just click add column after. And before we do that, let's just get back and check the sizes. Actually, how many options we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sizes. However, we need multiple tabs, like 5 tabs. The first one will be for the title. So let's just add a new one, and another one again, and another one again. So the first should be for the title, and in here should be for the sizes. So let's just add a new row just below it, and it should multiply the row with all the tabs in here. And as I mentioned, we need 5. So this should be enough for 4 sizes actually. Yeah, 4 sizes. So the first one is for the title. So let's just name the first one sizes, and let's just rearrange this. I'm going to do this randomly. I'm not gonna waste too much time on the aesthetics of this chart. However, if you're a Shopify store, you want it to be perfect, make sure to spend time to make this perfect. So the first one, sizes, let's just make this bold like this. It's better. And the first size is L, I think, or M. No, it's M. The second one, L size. Let's just name it size. L size again. XL size, and double XL size. And the first option should be the length, and the second one, I'm not a native English speaker, so I don't know. I'm gonna check again. I apologize. Bust, shoulder, sleeve. Okay, so bust, shoulder, and sleeve. And let's just make this bold, just like the sizes titles, because it's a title. Let's just do that again for the sizes as well. I'm gonna fast forward this just to not make you bored. Alright, so I did finish the chart. As you can see, this is the sizes, M, L, XL, and double XL, and the length, as well as the bust, shoulder, and sleeves, and each one has its own measurements. And let's just click on the last option, which is save, to save the page. And let's just get back to the customizer, because I said make sure to keep this open because we're going to need it, and click on sizes, and the content right here, click on tab content from page, and click on page. It will show us all the page that we did create, and here is the sizes chart. And select the sizes chart and click on select and save. And if we did click on sizes right now, it will show us the table, as you can see. In this case, because I'm accessing it from the theme editor, it just shows us a little bit all messed up like this. However, if we did access the store, here is so the sizes in here. If I click on it, here is. As you can see, it looks really good. And because the shoulder is pretty long, the air has been down for the second line. And that's fine actually, because this will not show up like this. The customer needs actually to click on sizes in order to show it. And I did explain why you should use this chart like this in text in it instead of a picture, which is this one right here, because search engines will actually index this data, and Google, including Google, will actually show this data on the search result. So that's really important if you want to have more exposure to your Shopify store. And Google search engine is best one when it comes to getting free exposure. So that's really important. And the next step is I'm going to show you how to edit by a pop-up. So the link will be just not a collapsed row, actually will be just a link, and the customer needs to click on it just like this, and it will show a pop-up with the picture as well. So let's just save the picture first, which is this one has the, let's just save this one. And let's just get back to the theme customizer, and we're going to add a block again. Click on add block from the option right here, and after that click on pop-up option right here. Simply click on it and it should be added again at the bottom of the page. Let's just drag it up below the shipping of materials and so on, and it should be added here. And here it is. Oh, I did skip the pictures. Just drag it just below images and it's fine now. So let's just click on it, and I will not show anything because we did not set up the page first. So let's just change the text first. Let's just name it size chart, and let's just select the page and select the size chart. However, we're going to get back to the page and add a picture to it. So let's just click on enter and click on add image from here, insert the image, and I'm going to upload the picture. And let's just click on open and give it a couple of seconds, and here it is. Insert the image, and here it is. So this is by both using picture and as well as indexable text, because text can be seen by both and search engines uses both. So that's really important. And let's just click on save just to make sure it's working fine. If I click right now on the size chart, if I click on it, and here it is, it will show me a pop-up with text on it, as you can see. And if you want to add all of this by using the meta fields, because if you have a lot of products and each one with its own size and so on, it's much better to use the meta fields, because that will make it really easier for you to organize and so on. And if you want to do that, you can do all of this instead of adding the page. For example, let's just get back, which is the sizes tab right here. Instead of adding page, you can actually click on connect dynamic source, and click on it will show you all the dynamic sources. And if you are interested in how to create the meta field so you can create the sizes and so on, make sure to check out my channel, because I did show that, and with the explanation tutorials for the meta fields, you can create the chart size or pictures or videos, whatever you want to host. You can actually do it with the meta fields, and I did show everything in that video, including how to set up the meta fields for each product. But for now, that's how you add the size chart to your products in Shopify store. And as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or any requests, make sure to drop them below in the comment, or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment. If you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. Otherwise, I think my job is done for this video. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.